Sit.
The day we brought him home, he was just a little pup.
Blue 81!
Barely 6
Blue 81!
weeks old. He chewed the place up when he wasn't running circles.
Good hit,
and tripping
Pedro.
on his feet. He was
Right here,
over
Pedro.
in the corner.
Here we go.
Laying fast asleep. And he
Blue
dreamed
81!
of chasing
Blue
rabbits.
81! Sit! Hut!
Or so the old folks say. Little did he know all the fun we'd have one
Sit down.
day.
Ready?
When he was 2
Bogey's the
years
middle linebacker.
old, he was
Set.
coming in his own.
Hut!
He was learning how to hunt, and man, how he'd grown. He had a ways to go, but
Who wants
there
the
was
ball?
fire
Down, set, hut,
in
go.
his eyes. He had enough heart for a
Boom!
dog
Yeah!
twice
Good
his
tackle,
size.
Pedro!
He dreamed of circling mallards,
Blue
and I'd call
81!
his name.
Blue 81! Sit, go!
Little did he know
all back.
he was well on his way.
Get the ball, Pedro.
By the time he turned 5, he was really in his
Okay.
prime. We spent
Set.
each winter day together in the blind. Oh, the birds that dog retrieved, I pretty soon lost track. He'd hit that icy water and never once looked back. He dreamed of honkers falling in the blind where